Tired of tough liver? Try this recipe and enjoy it tender every time. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are cooking one of the most delicious, easy dishes, soft and flavorful beef liver in a rich tomato ketchup sauce. If your liver ever turns tough or dry, this recipe will completely change that. So stay tuned and let's get cooking. Here is everything you will need for today's recipe. Some fresh rosemary leaves, green chili pepper, two of them, ginger, cloves of garlic, tomato paste and all-purpose seasoning flavor, smoked paprika, turmeric and salt, green bell pepper, dried thyme leaves, oregano, cumin powder, black pepper, and garam masala. One large red tomatoes and onions, some coriander leaves, chili cube, and the key ingredient here is liver. I have here with me 500-gram liver, so I'm just going to cut it, and the rest of the green ingredients I'm gonna prep them out of the camera. Let's prepare our liver first. I will remove this vein, and if your liver happens to have the outer membrane, you can remove that as well. This vein is tough and it never gets tender whenever cooking the liver. It just remains hard like that. So cut it into small cubes so that it will cook quickly and evenly. Don't cut them too big. Liver takes only 10 minutes or less to cook. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome. And if you like what you're seeing, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon so that you can come back and watch my other video. Like and share this video and watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Once done cutting, transfer them into a clean bowl. Then fill the bowl with clean water and add some vinegar. Soak it in here for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will help remove the toxin in the liver that sometimes tastes bitter and metallic. And it will also help in tenderizing it. This is how your liver should look after that 15 minutes or 20. Next, take them out of that water and place them on a paper towel. Once done removing the liver, discard this water. Pat them dry with a paper towel to remove the excess moisture. This step makes a very huge difference in tenderness. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once oil is hot, add in your sliced onions and saute until they turn soft. Once it has sweat and not yet translucent, add in your garlic and ginger paste. Stir in and let it saute until translucent and fragrant. Once slightly brown or translucent, add all your spices, season it except all seasoning flavor, then stir everything together and allow it to cook for about 20 seconds until fragrant. That aroma right there is the secret of good liver base. Add in your liver pieces and start to blend well with the spices. Next, add your tomato paste, stir it in and ensure it's nicely blended and allow it to cook slightly before adding your tomato puree. Next, pour in your tomato puree. I blended my tomato together with the chili pepper and give it a nice stir. Stir for the tomato to blend well and also to allow the tomatoes to cook and thicken. Then, at this step, go in with your all-purpose seasoning flavor and soy sauce. This is dark soy sauce. Then stir it in until every piece is well coated in that rich flavor. It has just clicked on my mind that I didn't add my chili cube. I was supposed to add it with those other spices. The chili cube adds depth and a rich meaty flavor that really elevates the sauce. I've added a quarter cup of water. I lost the clip somewhere. Just crumble in your beef chili cube. Now for the magic touch, add about 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. It gives a beautiful color, a gentle sweetness that perfectly balances the savory liver, and that glossy finish we all love. Stir it occasionally and cook and cover for about 2 minutes. The whole process from the time you add your liver takes about 7 minutes. Remember, liver cooks fast. Once it's brown on the outside and still soft inside, that's perfect. Overcooking will make it tough, so keep an eye on it. Once the sauce has thickened and everything blends beautifully like this, your liver is ready. Just toss in your sliced green bell pepper, stir and cook for about a minute or less. We want them slightly soft but still colorful and fresh. And that's it. Our soft, juicy, and flavorful beef liver is ready. At this point, turn off your stove and garnish with some freshly chopped coriander for that pop of color and freshness. Just look at that rich sauce, perfectly cooked liver, and that glossy finish from the ketchup. Serve it hot right away with any sides of your choice. I'm serving mine with mashed green bananas. Keep it right here. I will share this matoke recipe in my next video. This is a perfect meal for any day of the week, lunch, dinner, or even breakfast. It's tender, juicy, full of flavor, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss my other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time right here in my kitchen. Happy cooking!